Staring at the bathroom mirror and noticing a bit more scalp than you used to is a universal moment of panic. We have all been there. You start looking for solutions that do not cost a fortune or require a medical degree to understand. That brings us to a very popular multi-peptide hair serum from a brand known for being budget-friendly and science-heavy. It claims to tackle thinning hair and boost overall density without the usual greasy mess. Most of these treatments feel like you are pouring vegetable oil on your head. This one is different. It is watery. It is light. It disappears almost instantly into your skin. That is a huge win for anyone who actually has to go out in public after their routine. The formula is packed with things like caffeine and specialized peptide complexes. These ingredients are designed to wake up your scalp. They give your hair strands a fighting chance. It is not just about the hair you see now. It is about the health of the skin underneath. This serum is free from the harsh stuff like sulfates and silicones. That means it works for almost any hair type. Whether your hair is curly, straight, or somewhere in between, you do not have to worry about buildup. But here's the catch. This is not a magic wand. You cannot swipe it on once and wake up with a lion's mane the next morning. Real results take weeks of dedicated daily application. If you are the type of person who forgets their routine after 3 days, this might be a challenge. It requires a real commitment to the process. You have to be consistent. People on major beauty sites are reporting that their hair feels thicker and looks fuller after a few months. That is the key time frame. Do not give up after the first bottle. The application process is where most people go wrong. You can use it on dry hair or damp hair. I find it easiest after a shower. It works just as well on bone-dry skin. You only need a few drops. 3 to 6 drops is plenty. If you use too much, you are just wasting product. You want to drop it directly onto the scalp. Do not just put it on the hair itself. Focus on the areas where you feel like things are getting a bit sparse. Give your head a nice, gentle massage. This helps the blood flow. It ensures the serum actually gets into the skin. Whatever you do, do not wash it out. It needs to sit there and do its work. Think of it like a leave-in treatment for your skin. Use it every single day for the best outcome. I suggest pairing it with a very gentle shampoo. Do not weigh your hair down with heavy waxes or thick styling creams while you are trying to improve density. You want to keep the environment light and healthy. Is it a scam? Absolutely not. It is a legitimate, well-formulated option for people who want to support their hair health without spending hundreds of dollars. It is an affordable way to bring some high-end science into your daily life. It is not a miracle cure for severe medical hair loss, but for general thinning and density, it is a solid choice. Just stay patient. Give it time to work. Your future self will thank you for the extra 2 minutes of effort every night. It is all about the long game with hair care. Most people quit right before the results start to show. Do not be one of those people. Keep the bottle on your nightstand so you remember it before bed. It is such a small habit for a potentially huge payoff. Just keep at it. Trust the science behind the peptides. Your scalp needs that nourishment. Consistency is your best friend here. If you stick with it, you might just be surprised by what you see in the mirror a few months from now. Results are built on habits. Every drop counts toward your goals. Healthy hair starts at the root. Be kind to your scalp and it will reward you.